Now, what is self-esteem and why it is important? So self-esteem, there are so many definitions. I'll tell you all the definitions. Make sure you take notes as well, and make sure you are following what I'm saying. So self-esteem is, how do you feel about yourself? How do you feel about yourself, your own self? Do you feel good about yourself? That's self-esteem. This is different than self-confidence. Confidence is, do you believe in yourself? That yes, you can do certain things and you cannot do certain things. But self-esteem is, how do you feel about yourself? Another definition of self-esteem is your reputation within yourself, your reputation with yourself, your reputation with yourself. Somebody really rightly said, this is not my definition, this is somebody else's definition. Your reputation with yourself. Okay, so what is your reputation with yourself? Do you like yourself? Do you respect yourself? This is what it is all about. Now the thing is, guys, the tragedy is, everyone in their lives have done something right and have done something wrong. We all have done mistakes, we all have made mistakes, we all have done wrong things, we all have done good things, we all have done all sorts of things, right? So when we have done wrong things, we tend not to forget, and we tend not to forgive ourselves. So when we don't forgive ourselves, this bothers us, and this reduces our confidence and self-esteem together. It reduces our own reputation within ourselves. We tend to think bad about ourselves. Unfortunately, we tend to think bad about our own selves, unfortunately. So how do we improve self-esteem? Remember, the first thing first to get anything in life is to study what you want. Like if you want to be a doctor, you want to study medicine, right? If you want to be an engineer, you want to study engineering. Now, similarly, if you want to be happy, you got to study happiness. Yes, there are books on happiness. Do you know that? People struggle with happiness. They say, I don't have happiness in my life. I'm not happy. I'm always unhappy. The reason is you haven't studied happiness. You don't know how happy people are, how to get happiness in your life. So take it as a subject. Consider it as a subject. Read happiness. Once you read happiness, you will be happy. Similarly, if you want money in your life, you study money. If you want money in your life, then study money. Simple logic. There is no rocket science. There is no rocket science. If you want money, you study money. There are books on money. If you want career, read books on career. If you want health, read books on health, how to be fit, how to remain fit, how to lose weight, how to gain muscles, how to remain in shape. You gotta study it. We unfortunately don't study it. We think we are all-knowing geniuses. Do you think I'm all-knowing genius? No, I keep studying every day. And the tragedy of reading and learning is, the more you learn, the more you realize how ignorant you are. That's a good tragedy. I'm saying hypothetically as a fun way, in a fun way. It's not a tragedy, it's a blessing. That the more we learn, the more we realize that we don't know. By reading, you understand that we don't know. And the person who doesn't read, who doesn't learn, unfortunately doesn't know that he doesn't know. Ignorant person does not know that he does not know.